Hello guys, review Realme C63, this version 8GB memory and 256GB Intel memory. Okay, we have slim design, fast charge, 90Hz display and octa-core powerful chipset, NFC. Okay, and in complementation we have protected back cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, double camera on the back side, display 6.7 inch on the front, power button, wall buttons on this side, slot for SIM cards. We have Android 14 and open tests Geekbench 6. Look results, GPU test results, onto the benchmark look. And to the benchmark results, okay, close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Open settings. About system we have Realme UI and Android 14. Okay. And now I show you photos on them. Look, photo, 50 megapixels and more. Okay, close this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.